Hi, my name is Jena and I'm an incoming senior at the University of Oregon studying advertising. I recently had the opportunity to do an internship abroad in Melbourne, Australia as a marketing intern for the company Salt Fuessel. It was a really exciting chance to apply what I've been learning in school to a real workplace setting in a different country. I chose Melbourne, Australia because I wanted to push myself outside my comfort zone and live somewhere completely new. I've always wanted to work or study abroad, so I felt like this was perfect for me, especially Melbourne because it's such a vibrant city with so much diversity. And I also felt like it was a perfect place to gain professional experience as well as explore a new culture and lifestyle. So Salt Fuessel is a digital agency that focuses on website performance, user experience, and helping businesses grow through online strategy. So my role as a marketing intern was to research content ideas, to draft posts, and to help organize social media strategies. What I liked most about my internship was the hands-on experience I got every day. I wasn't just watching on the sidelines, I actually got to contribute, and I worked on LinkedIn and Instagram content planning and strategy, which helped me expand my knowledge on the business side of marketing. I also really liked how the team members acknowledged all of my thoughts and put input into it. After this internship, I feel so much more confident in what I can bring to my future role. I can bring strong writing, creativity, and learning how to work with different people in a professional setting. Also, just the fact by living in a new country by myself, I've learned how to adjust quickly to new things, and I'll definitely bring that in my future roles. The intern group staff was truly amazing. From the very beginning, they guided me through the application process and helped me with any questions I had. They also made me feel very prepared to go abroad. And once I did arrive in Melbourne, it always felt like I had someone there if I needed questions or needed support. So that made the experience so much smoother. To anyone who's thinking about applying, I would say just go for it and just do it. It might feel scary at first to commit to living and working in a new country, but the growth and experience and opportunities you get to experience are just going to be completely worth it. You'll get to gain so much experience and meet new people, and that's something that will be with you forever.